Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll learn about the next hook, that is use context. But first, we need to change a little bit with the project. Okay, so in some previous video, we have created the project by using the JavaScript. You can see all the file with the extension JS means JavaScript. Okay, it's not TypeScript. So from this video we will change it to use TypeScript. Okay, this time is a good time for changing, I think, because TypeScript have a little bit different syntax with the JavaScript. Okay, so to do that, we need to create a new project and using the new comment. Alright, so let me just open your location, okay, your folder location on Mac or on Windows. You can open the terminal at this location. After open the terminal, we can use the this command nps. Okay, nps, not npm. Then the command create react app, and then the name of the app. I will put the name is react assemble, and then put the option for the template TypeScript. Okay, and press enter. Let's wait a little. Okay. We cannot use the capital letter in the name of the project. Okay. Okay, after the command finish, you can see we have the same command, npm start to start the development server, and some others. Alright, so let's close this one, and now you can see the project React Assemble appears here. Let me open it inside the Visual Studio Code. Just drag it into here to open it for fast. Or you can open it by using the menu file here. Alright, after open, we can try to run the project. Yeah, just open the terminal inside the Visual Studio Code and use the npm start to run the project. Okay, so we finished to create a new project and run it to safely here. Alright, so let's move to the main part in this video, use content hook. Alright, go to the app.tss. Okay, now you see all the extension is tss and ts, and I think we can clear some UI by default here. in the app.txt. So what's the context hook? So or to use the context hook, we use the useContext. Okay, so useContext lets you tap into React context API from functional components. Context is like a global storage for data like themes, user information, or settings that you want to share without passing props through every component. Do you remember that when you want to pass the props from the parents to the child, and to the child, nested child, and so on? So that is the not good idea. We need to use the context. Okay, so the useContext is the best way to do that. All right, so now we will see how does it work. First, we create a context. We create context function, provide data with provider, and consume it with useContext in any component down the tree. It's perfect for avoiding prop dribbling in React apps. Okay, we can do all of it in the app.txt file. Not need more separated file. Let's create a context. Constant team context, and create context. With the noon at default, and for the data for the context, I put an object with two parameters, two attributes. The first is the string team, and a function to change the team. This is a void, and this one can be null. Okay, and after create the team context, we create a team provider. Team provider has a child. Okay, has a children, and the children is a React node. Okay, and inside the body, we just create a state with the team, and set team equal useState. The default team is light. Okay, useState from React, and we also create a method toggle team to change the state team. Set team if team equal light, I will change it to dark. If not, change it to light. Okay, and last one, just return the team context. Team context is a tag. Okay, team context provider, and inside it we push the children. Okay, and we also need to put the value for the team context with the team, and also the toggle team function. Alright, and I think we to see the theme change, we should create something, right? We create a theme button to change the theme, and also you can see the theme change on the theme button itself. So you need to create a theme button as a component to do something on it. Context, use context. Okay, and the useContext will use the theme context, and we check if the context equal null, we will return null. Just a safety check. And let's create the theme and the toggle from the context. Okay, and let's return a button with the toggle, the text toggle to, and we check if the theme equal light. I will show it that, change to that, and if it's that, we'll change to light theme. Okay, and I also change the style by dark or light on the button, so I need to set the style for this button. Okay, the style also has the background. If the theme equal light, the background is FF. Okay, if not, 333, and then the color for the text, I also check if the theme equal light. I will add the 000, and if not, it will be FF. And also provide on click for the button. Just call the toggle theme like this. Okay, and inside the app we just provide the theme button here, and don't forget to provide the theme provider to surround the component that use the context. The theme button use the context, but and the theme provider provide that context, so we need to surround the component which use the context with the provider. Okay, alright, so I just save it and it automatically deploying. So just click here to see the button. Alright, now let's click on the button here, toggle to dot theme, and you see the button changed the theme with the background and the text color, and also the text content. So now click again and see everything will is changed now. Alright, so that is an example that help you to create to use the useContext. And I think you have many questions for this one, so please give me some comment. I will answer you so you can get the better understand with this new knowledge about the useContext. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.